Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. Moonriver was moving inside a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and at the same time, it also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And recently, we have broken it out. And after the breakout, you can see that the price line is still moving above the resistance of this triangle. If I place a trend line here, and move to the smaller time frame chart, then you can see that at this level of $27.87, we have a lot of resistance, a short-term resistance. You can see that for several days, it has been breaking as a resistance here. Before that, it has been breaking as a support here and resistance here. Therefore, again, after this breakout from this triangle, the price and got rejected. And now it is about to retest the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern. And I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout when it was testing this support here. And so far you can see from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 1408%. I was telling you that the target after the breakout can be here at the top of the wedge between $22 to $25, but you can see that it has rallied up to almost $45. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon members, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the current month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for tranches, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver. This is the daily time frame chart. And you can see first, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we also found this uptrend line support as well, this one. And this was the formation of a symmetrical triangle. At the same time, it was also moving in a falling wedge pattern. And now we have recently broken out the resistance of this wedge, but got rejected by this short-term resistance of $27.87. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance. However, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this decent symmetrical triangle, then target for the breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $35.75. In that situation, we can easily break out the resistance, this short-term resistance of $27.87. And you can also set your stop loss below this support of the triangle, this uptrend line support. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. But this previous support that was working as a very strong support in the month of May 2022 of $45 is now working as a very strong resistance. You can see almost from from that support level, the price line got rejected and it has tested this quite long-term support of $27.15. That was previously working as a resistance here in the month of August 2022. Now it worked as a nice support. We had a long spike to the downside, but could not break it down. And now it is geared up. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt by the price line of Moonriver to break out this resistance of $45. And after breaking out the $45 resistance, I'm expecting that it can soon move to this very strong and long-term resistance of $100. Before that, it can break out this resistance of $70. That is not as that much strong like we have here at $100 resistance. And after breaking out this $100 resistance, we can expect another long-term rally because this $100 will be flipped into a very strong support like it worked as a resistance after the breakdown. And the previous resistance of $100, same as like that, can be flipped into a strong support after the breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.